Hi guys, today I'm here to show some beautiful picture of front porch, garden and flower pot. Look at these beautiful flower pot. Look at style, beautiful color combination. This one is very amazing style. Look at this. This one is beautiful picture of garden. This one is also a beautiful picture of flower pot. You can decor your front porch flower pot like this. Look at beautiful picture. You can decor your porch like this. Porch. Beautiful pictures of garden. You can design like this. Beautiful color combination. Very beautiful. So guys, you can decor your garden like this. These all are very beautiful picture of garden. Look at color combination and flower pot designing. This one is very amazing picture. Look at this style. Square type flower pot. Beautiful picture of garden, front, porch, flower pot. Look at this one. This one is also a beautiful picture. Look at leaves, flower style. So guys, you can decor like this. These all are very beautiful flower pot.